Hi everyone, welcome back to English Grammar. As you know all, the entire globe is taking precautions and preventive measures about pandemic disease coronavirus. It's the time to learn a few vocabulary which are related to coronavirus. And today I do emphasize on pronunciation and proper usage of the sentences. Vocabulary and pronunciation are very essential to enrich our language. My dear friends, please have a glance on each and every word. Let us learn what is the exact pronunciation and usage of the sentences about corona. Here, let us get started with our very first word, that is virus. The spelling of the virus is virus. It's a noun. What is the plural form of the virus? Viruses. The pronunciation of the word is the phonetic transcription is always written in between two vertical marks. For example, wa sound, a sound, e sound, ra sound, a sound, sa sound. Virus, virus. Here you can find two syllables, I and a. Y, I, ras, a. How many syllables? Two syllables. What is a syllable? Syllable is nothing but vowel sound. A syllable is a minimum rhythmic sound unit of pronunciation. A syllable consists of a vowel sound. The number of vowel sounds in a word is an indication of the number of syllables it has. For example, here we can find two vowels, that is I and A, which means we can say that two syllables, I and A. Virus, it is a two syllable word. You can find the very vertical mark, the small vertical mark which is written on va syllable, that is called stress. What is the stress? Stress or accent is relative emphasis or prominence given to a certain syllable. We can say that stress, it adds some extra force on specific syllable. Virus, virus. Here we have to give some extra force on virus. Let us see what is the meaning of the word virus. A very small organism that causes disease in humans, animals and plants. Here it is not disease, not sa sound, ja sound, disease. Here both the letters should pronounce as ja. Disease. For example, it's possible to pass on the virus to others through physical contact. Let us move on to the another word, that is coronavirus. As you know all about coronavirus, because here it takes a prominent role in the minds and hearts of people all over the world. It is a noun. The pronunciation of the word is coronavirus. Ka arau na virus. Coronavirus. The stress should be given on ra and va. Coronavirus. The meaning of the word is a type of virus that causes diseases in humans and animals, especially In humans, it usually causes respiratory infections in the nose, throat, or chest that are not serious, but that can sometimes cause more serious infections that can kill people also. We have to be very aware of this dangerous disease, pandemic disease, coronavirus. For example, the government introduced travel restrictions in response to the coronavirus outbreak. We should be very alert in this pandemic situation. Let us switch over to the another word, that is COVID-19. Here you can say that COVID-19 is another word for this coronavirus. COVID-19, COVID-19. Here the stress should be given on T and K. COVID-19. So where does it comes from? How does it come? What is the origin of the word? We can say that corona. Here we take CO from corona, VI from virus, D from disease, 19 from 2019. Just to put together COVID-19. We can say that here COVID-19. It is nothing but coronavirus. What is the meaning of the COVID-19? An infectious disease caused by a coronavirus. For example, you can reduce your chances of being infected with or spreading COVID 19 by washing your hands frequently. My dear friends, please wash your hands regularly without fail. So we need to take some precautions in this pandemic situation. Let us move on to the another word, that is epidemic. What is another word? Epidemic. It's a noun. It's a four syllable word. Epidemic. 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 Here the stress should be given on the and a. Epidemic. An epidemic is a large number of cases of a particular disease happening at a particular time. There is an epidemic of particular disease. We can say that there is an epidemic of coronavirus. What is the example? There is an epidemic of coronavirus. Let us move on to the another word, that is pandemic. It is a noun. The pronunciation of the word is pandemic. 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 Here the stress should be given on D. Pandemic. Pan. 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 Pan means everywhere. Pan means all over the world. Pan India. For example, here if you say Pan India, which means all over India. What is the meaning of pandemic? A pandemic is a global epidemic. It means an illness or disease happening all over the world. For example, the pandemic has resulted in the near extinction of humanity. Pandemic, we can call it as an adjective also, as well as it is a noun and adjective. Pandemic flu. Here, flu is a noun. Pandemic flu. How is the flu? Pandemic flu. Let us move on to the another word, that is outbreak. The parts of speech of the word is noun. What is the parts of speech of the word? Noun. The pronunciation of the word is outbreak. 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 The stress should be given on very first syllable. How. The sudden start of something unpleasant, especially violence or a disease. It happens suddenly, it occurs immediately. That is called outbreak. We can say that there is an outbreak of coronavirus. Let us switch over to another word, that is infect. It is a verb. The pronunciation of the word is infect. 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 The stress should be given on fa. Here the word infect usually followed with passive sense. It is always used in passive sense. For example, somebody was infected with something. So what is the meaning of the word? To pass a disease to a person, animal, or plant. For example, we can say he was infected with coronavirus. Do you know what's the noun form of infect? Yes, you are correct. Infection. The noun form of the word is infection. It is a noun. The pronunciation of the word is infection. Infection. Here the stress is given on fa. Infection. The meaning of the word is a disease in a part of a body that is caused by bacteria or a virus. For example, we usually get a throat infection, chest infection, ear infection. There are many sort of infections which we usually faced. So another word, that is infectious. What is another word? Infectious. It is an adjective. The pronunciation of the word is infectious. Infectious. The stress is given on fa. Infectious. What is the meaning of the infectious? Able to pass a disease from one person, animal, or plant to another. For example, an infectious disease. An infectious disease. Let us switch over to another word, that is what is another word? Contagious. It is an adjective. The pronunciation of the word is contagious. The stress is given on T. Contagious. Contagious. So the meaning of the word is a contagious disease can be caught by touching someone who has the disease or a piece of infected clothing. For example, coronavirus is a contagious disease. Coronavirus is a contagious disease. So, my dear friends, it is the time to convey our heartfelt and deepest thanks to all the amazing people like nurses, doctors, and supporting staff, policemen, and all sanitary workers. They rendered their marvelous services for the sake of our noble country. So, let us convey our heartfelt thanks to all the members who has shown a lot of effort in their particular profession. So and also here they always do their work for protecting us. So once again we have to convey thanks to all the members who are working for the sake of us. My dear friends, before we are closing the session, I would like to give you some precautions about this pandemic situation. Please take preventive measures and precautions like wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth and nose with proper mask. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Please Stay home, stay secure. Thank you one and all for watching this session. I'm really very much thank you. I'm highly thankful to all the members who have put your efforts for watching this session. So please stay home, save lives. Thank you. This is your Srinivas.